TCL, the makers behind all the latest BlackBerry devices, introduced a new device for the Key line, KEY2 LE. Although it looks like KEY2 since June of this year, it is different, according to TCL. As stated in the press release, with this new addition to its product line, KEY2 LE maintains the iconic style of BlackBerry and offers an accessible access point for our fans around the world to enjoy a modern BlackBerry smartphone for specifications. KEY2 LE offers a 4.5 LCD screen, Snapdragon 636 processor, 4GB RAM, 32GB or 64GB of storage, 3000 mAh battery, 13MP plus 5MP dual rear cameras, NFC, fingerprint reader located in the spacebar, Android 8.1 Oreo, as well as all the security benefits you would expect from BlackBerry to help configure this device. Apart from KEY2, in addition to the lowest price, it will be offered in 3 colors, Slate, Champagne and Atomic, for sale next month, with a price of $399 for the 32GB model and $449 for 64GB.